What is climate change? Climate change refers to the long-term alteration of temperature and typical weather pattern in a place or on a global scale. It is commonly associated with global warming, which is the ongoing increase in the average global temperature. Greenhouse effect. The greenhouse effect is a natural process that plays a crucial role in maintaining the Earth's temperature. It works by allowing sunlight, solar radiation, to pass through the Earth's atmosphere and reach the surface. Some of the solar radiation is absorbed by the Earth's surface and re-emitted as heat, infrared radiation. Greenhouse gases such as carbon dioxide, methane, and nitrous oxide trap a portion of this heat, preventing it from escaping back into space. This natural process keeps the Earth's surface warm and habitable. Deforestation. Deforestation involves the clearing of forests for various purposes, including agriculture, urbanization, and logging. Forests act as carbon sinks, meaning they absorb and store carbon dioxide from the atmosphere through the process of photosynthesis. When forests are cut down or burned, the stored carbon is released back into the atmosphere as carbon dioxide. This contributes to the increase in greenhouse gas concentrations, exacerbating the greenhouse effect and global warming. Deforestation also reduces the Earth's capacity to absorb carbon dioxide, further intensifying climate change. Melting of ice and snow. The melting of ice caps, glaciers, and polar ice sheets is a consequence of rising global temperature. As the Earth's surface warms, ice and snow melt at accelerated rates. This process reduces the Earth's albedo, which is the ability to reflect sunlight. Ice and snow have high reflectivity, meaning they bounce back a significant amount of solar radiation into space. However, as ice melts, more heat is absorbed by the Earth's surface, leading to further warming. This positive feedback loop contributes to the overall warming trend and has significant implications for sea level rise, ecosystem disruptions, and climate patterns. Albedo feedback. Albedo refers to reflectivity of a surface. If the surface are dark, such as forests or oceans, it absorb more sunlight and have a lower albedo, while lighter surfaces, such as ice and snow, reflect more sunlight and have a higher albedo. A climate change causes ice and snow to melt. The Earth's surface become darker, absorbing more sunlight and increasing the warming effect. This positive feedback loop accelerates at the rate of climate change. Ocean acidification. As the concentration of carbon dioxide increases in the atmosphere, a portion of it is absorbed by the oceans. This leads to a chemical reaction that increases the acidity of seawater, a process known as ocean acidification. Higher acidity levels can have detrimental effects on marine life, particularly organisms with calcium carbonate, like shells or skeletons, such as coral reef, shellfish, and some plankton species. Ocean acidification can disrupt marine ecosystem and impact the food chain. Changes in atmospheric circulation. Climate change can alter atmospheric circulation patterns, such as the jet stream and monsoons. These changes can lead to shifts in weather patterns, including more frequent and intense extreme weather events like hurricanes, heat waves, and heavy rainfall. Jet The jet stream is a narrow, fast flowing air current in the upper atmosphere, typically found around 9 to 16 kilometers or 5.6 to 9.9 miles above the Earth's surface. The jet stream has significant impact on weather patterns, particularly in the mid-latitude. It acts as a boundary between cold polar air to the north and warmer air to the south. The position and strength of the jet stream can influence the movement and intensity of weather system, such as storms and fronts. It can also affect the duration and intensity of heat waves and cold snaps. Monsoon. Monsoon refers to a seasonal we- Monsoon refers to a seasonal mm, wind. Monsoon refers to, Monsoon refers to a seasonal wind system that brings significant changes in precipitation patterns over a particular region. Monsoon have significant impact on agriculture, water resource, and ecosystem in affected regions. They can bring much needed rainfall for crop cultivation but can also lead to flooding and landslides. The timing and strength of monsoons can vary from year to year, influenced by factors such as the ocean temperature, atmospheric pressure patterns, and global climate phenomena like El Nino and La Nina. That was all. Thank you.